Welcome to Compare to Win. The best UV glue is probably one of the most versatile and innovative adhesive solutions available today, offering a unique bonding experience that hardens rapidly under UV light, making it ideal for quick repairs and intricate crafting projects where traditional glues might fall short. Its ability to create strong, clear bonds on a variety of materials, from plastics and glass to certain metals and even fabrics, positions it as a go-to choice for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals alike seeking a reliable and efficient way to join components with precision and durability. This advanced adhesive technology ensures that your projects are not only completed faster but also with a higher degree of professional finish, minimizing drying time and maximizing holding power for lasting results. Number 5. UV Resin 2 PCS Upgrade Ultraviolet Epoxy Resin. Experience the ease of our UV resin. It's ready to use straight from the bottle, requiring no mixing. Achieve beautiful results in just minutes under a UV lamp. Crafted from premium materials, this resin offers exceptional clarity and resistance to yellowing. Its self-leveling properties ensure a smooth, flawless finish every time. Our set includes 2 bottles for convenient storage and use. The innovative bottle design makes it easy to use every last drop. Personalize your creations by mixing in glitter, pigments, or other embellishments. It's perfect for jewelry, phone cases, and various DIY craft projects. From intricate jewelry to decorative coatings and resin art, this versatile resin is ideal for a wide range of handmade projects. What we like. This UV resin offers a quick and efficient crafting experience with its fast curing times. Its premium, non-yellowing formula ensures durability and clarity in your projects. If you are looking for a resin that is easy to handle and store, especially with its user-friendly bottle design, this is a great choice for handmade jewelry and DIY crafts. What people say. This UV glue is perfect for repairing small cracks in glass. The glue cures quickly under UV light, creating a strong bond. It dries clear, making repairs almost invisible. Number 4. Bsrezn 400G UV Resin Hard. Discover the endless possibilities with our UV epoxy resin, perfect for creating stunning jewelry and repairing small items. You can even add vibrant colors and glitters to make your creations truly unique. Say goodbye to messy mixing and long waiting times. This UV resin is pre-mixed and ready to use straight from the bottle. Achieve a hard, durable finish in just minutes under UV light. Even if you're new to resin crafting, you'll love how easy it is to get perfect, bubble-free results. Its low viscosity allows for a thin, even layer and better control, ensuring a smooth finish every time. Create high-gloss, scratch-resistant pieces that stay clear for years. This resin is designed to resist yellowing, ensuring your beautiful creations maintain their brilliance over time. This kit includes 400G of UV resin, conveniently divided into 4 separate bottles for consistent quality. For best results, use translucent molds and store in a cool, dark place. What we like. Experience effortless crafting with this UV resin, designed for beginners with its low viscosity and self-degassing properties, ensuring bubble-free results. It provides an ultra-durable, yellow-resistant finish that maintains clarity over time. If you are a beginner aiming for smooth, high-gloss pieces without the hassle of mixing, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. This UV glue is fantastic for repairing small cracks in glass, it dries clear and is very strong. The UV glue has a fine tip applicator which allows for precise application, making it easy to use on delicate items. I used this UV glue to fix a broken ceramic mug handle and it held up perfectly after curing under a UV light. Number 3. Riverruns UV Clear Glue and Power Light. Achieve a crystal clear, glass-smooth finish on your flies. Our UV glue cures in seconds under UV light, offering a durable and tack-free result. Choose from 3 versatile formulas, thick for heads and bodies, thin for easy flow and penetration, and flue for realistic movement and knot protection. No preparation needed. Our UV glue is simple and ready to use right out of the bottle. Just apply and cure with the included UV light. Unlike traditional epoxy, it stays clear, never turns yellow, and offers superior durability. Enjoy a long-lasting, tack-free finish every time. The included 12 LED UV power light cures your creations in seconds. It's compact, easy to use, and powered by AAA batteries for convenience. Our formula is environmentally friendly with no harmful effects. You can tie with confidence knowing it's safe to use. What we like. This UV glue set comes with 3 distinct formulas, thick, thin, and super flex, to suit a variety of applications, from fly tying to detailed crafts. It cures instantly, offering a crystal clear, glass smooth, and tack-free finish. If you are a fly tyer or a crafter who needs versatility and a professional, durable result without any stickiness, this kit is ideal. What people say. This UV glue is amazing, it cures in seconds under a UV light. The glue is very strong and durable once cured. It has a precise applicator tip, making it easy to apply to small areas. Number 2. MEKERUI Super Strong Nail Glue Gel 15G. Tired of nail glue that takes forever to dry? Introducing our super strong nail glue gel, designed for a quick and easy application. Experience the magic of our advanced formula that air dries in just 7 seconds. No more waiting around for your nails to set. Forget about UV lamps. This glue works perfectly without any additional equipment. Get salon quality results at home, effortlessly. Enjoy a waterproof and long-lasting hold that keeps your press-on nail secure. It's designed to withstand daily activities without chipping or peeling. Achieve a flawless finish every time with this essential product for all your press-on nail needs. It provides a strong, reliable bond for a beautiful look. Upgrade your nail game with our super strong nail glue gel. Get the perfect hold and a beautiful finish that lasts. What we like. Achieve a strong bond in just 7 seconds with this nail glue gel that air dries rapidly, eliminating the need for a UV lamp. It's waterproof and long-lasting, perfect for press-on nails. If you need a quick, reliable, and waterproof adhesive for nail applications or other small repairs where a UV lamp isn't available, this product is highly recommended. What people say. The UV glue cures quickly under UV light, creating a strong bond. It's ideal for repairing clear plastics and glass due to its transparent finish. The precision applicator allows for controlled application, preventing excess glue. Number 1. Akisey UV Resin Kit with Light. Introducing the Akisey UV Resin Kit, featuring a powerful UV light for rapid curing. This kit offers a low viscosity, strong adhesive solution for all your bonding needs. This 50G UV resin remains liquid for easy application and shaping. Once cured, it becomes odorless, highly transparent, and incredibly durable, perfect for artistic creations and everyday repairs. The included UV flashlight boasts a 395 nanometers wavelength with upgraded lamp beads for efficient surface curing. Its compact, rechargeable design makes it convenient to use anywhere. This kit is ideal for bonding transparent objects like resin, acrylic, and glass. It's also effective for joining glass, metal, and plastic, making it a truly multi-purpose adhesive. We've included a silicone mat and gloves for a better user experience. Achieve professional results with this comprehensive UV resin kit. Your satisfaction is guaranteed with our 180-day warranty. Contact us for any issues, and we'll provide a solution, including free replacement or refund. What we like. This UV resin kit includes a powerful UV flashlight for rapid curing in seconds, making it incredibly convenient for quick repairs and creations. It offers strong adhesion with a low viscosity formula that cures to a hard, clear, and non-yellowing finish. If you are looking for a complete bonding solution for jewelry, plastic, glass, or acrylic repairs and appreciate the convenience of an all-in-one kit, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The UV glue cures quickly under UV light, creating a strong bond. It's ideal for repairing clear plastics and glass, leaving a nearly invisible mend. The glue has a low viscosity, allowing it to seep into small cracks effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.